Team NHFT, we wanted to take this moment to say thank you for all that you do in making a difference each and every day. This year you have faced challenges and you have risen to them with the same determination, dedication and compassion that makes you so clearly part of the NHFT family. So in honour of everything you've done this year for your community, we are going to attempt to do a recap of the last few months. We've learned that we can move forward at pace with digital technologies and that you, our staff, adapt fearlessly. Examples such as the perinatal mental health team and the diabetic high-risk foot service who have galvanised to make a difference for our community. We launched the 24-hour mental health number, a phone-in system where anyone in our county can get mental wellbeing support and signposting so they can access the right support at the right time. And with over 53,000 calls handled since its launch, we know the difference you are making. We set up the Instant Coordination Centre, which has brought teams together from across the organisation so we can directly and efficiently respond to the Covid-19 pandemic. We've redeployed staff from across the organisation to ensure that resource is where it needs to be. We created Fable Wing. We joined a pilot trial testing for asymptomatic staff as part of a government initiative. We set up the Loved Ones email address as visiting restrictions came into place so families and service users could stay in touch. We hired some incredible hospitality assistants who joined Team NHFT and are so important to the Covid-19 response. We held listening events for staff in vulnerable groups to help explore Covid-19, their anxieties and how we can support them as a trust. Our volunteers stepped up to the challenge of needing to work differently and started an incredibly successful welfare telephone call system, which has been extended through to April 2021. We launched an amazing art competition and we received some stunning masterpieces from our outstanding community, which will serve as a poignant reminder of how together Northamptonshire can be. We sang our hearts out with our community children's nurse Estelle as she joined forces with the one and only Captain Tom Moore to reach #1 in the UK. We've supported some amazing awareness months including Southeast Asian Heritage Month, Black History Month and International Day at Persons with Disabilities alongside our buddies at Leicestershire Partnership Trust, as well as our own Allied Health Professional Week of Celebrations and Occupational Therapy Week to name but a few. We had an amazing thank you from 3 of the Northamptonshire Saints players. We were treated to some beautiful heart rainbows by Northamptonshire Highways and we've been overwhelmed by the kind donations sent to our staff, facilitated by the brilliant Northamptonshire Health Charity. Our executive team, supported by the charity, sent out over 5,000 thank you cards to staff around our county. We've had 270 breathtaking nominations for this year's Quality Awards. We've held weekly virtual Leadership Matters sessions for our staff so they can upskill. We launched a weekly Ask a Director video where staff can send their questions to our directors who will answer them. We've organised and run winter wellbeing activities for our staff, including virtual book club, meditation, yoga sessions, as well as crafting. We are part of the Northants Together initiative, which sees us work with all our health and social care partners so that we can make a more aligned difference to our community. We played a key role in putting together a wellbeing festival for health and social care staff up and down the county, with headliners Clark and Carrie Carlisle, Colin McLaughlin, Colonel Dame Kelly Holmes, Dr. Chatterjee and Steve Backshaw. We've secured contracts to deliver healthcare for HMPs Little Hay, Whitemoor and Peterborough. We've been shortlisted for 3 prestigious HSJ Awards for Freedom to Speak Up Organisation of the Year, NHS Communications Initiative of the Year and the System-Led Support for Carers Awards. Our personal protective equipment team have been recognised for the innovative work they have done on our push system to ensure our services get the PPE they need when they need it. We've been part of opening a new state-of-the-art medical centre and community hospital in Brackley. We've launched and are leading on a new specialist dental service based at St Andrews Healthcare to provide patients and service users with improved access to dental treatment. We've launched a new skills-based programme for the families and carers of people with borderline personality disorder to help with information, skills and the opportunity to develop a support network in our county. And we've done so much more. You've done so much more. To our Team NHFT staff, 2 words: thank you.